Welcome. Together we will go through the latest improvements in Fatigue version 2025.2. So, what's new in Fatigue? Regarding the calculation methods, we support solder joint fatigue, Seamweld's guidelines, nominal stress and structural hotspot methods. In materials, it is possible to produce a material based on its mechanical properties. There is also the possibility to add local material in an analysis. What's more, regarding post-processing, we provide the contribution analysis plot. Let's start with the new calculation methods. Material properties for solder joints can be defined for Syed creep strain, Syed creep energy, and Darvaux models. These models estimate the fatigue life of BGA solder joints assuming that damage is caused by creep deformations that occur under thermal cycling. Also, the material cards have been enhanced with the respective parameters. We have supported various Seamweld's guidelines, such as BS 7608, IIW, Eurocode 3, Eurocode 9, FKM, PREN 17149 and Aluminum Association. Then, we have included the nominal stress method and the structural hotspot method for Type A. Type B. Regarding materials, we support the material generator which creates a new material based on the mechanical properties. The input is the UTS and the FKM material class. It produces SN, EN, general and strength properties for the created material. For the local material assignment, enable from the analysis configurator the respective button. A relative task item appears in the respective analysis. The local assignment that is defined in an analysis overwrites the global assignment for this analysis. So, you can have two analyses in the same task with different material assignment. Moreover, we have enhanced our post-processing capabilities with the contribution analysis plot. It provides effortless identification of the most contributing modes and channels to the examined duty cycle for time domain. It is a 4-plot layout which includes stress series plot, stress participation plot, damage participation plot, and damage participation overview. Thank you for your attention.